Should I vacuum after my carpet cleaning? Regular vacuuming after a carpet cleaning is always a great idea. It pulls out debris and dirt that will otherwise more quickly resoil your floors. What's more, if you just had OxiFresh carpet cleaning visit, vacuuming is actually more beneficial. Our normal cleaning process uses an encapsulation-based method that does a world-class job. It also leaves some encapsulator still in your carpet that will help capture more dirt and debris in microscopic crystals. That means your next few vacuumings after an OxiFresh carpet cleaning should pull up more dirt than you'd normally be able to remove. It's just another benefit of using OxiFresh carpet cleaning. When it comes to vacuuming, make sure to use a high quality machine with a good filter. Vacuum at least on a weekly basis. Ideally, you should give your carpets a light vacuuming every day or so. This will help remove debris and dirt before it can have a negative impact on your floor. Remember, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Let us rescue your home's carpets. So book your appointment today at 1-877-OXIFresh. That's 1-877-OXI-FRESH, or schedule online at www.oxifresh.com.